Okay. So hold on. Okay, you might know me, of course, my name is Stefan. Your story time slime today. I just played with slime today, so I can make no slime. Anything. Oh my gosh. Yes. 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 Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay. Sorry to kill y'all. I want to share with you guys. So like, I'm in grade 3. Like, hey, this is my girl named Marina. I'm not gonna lie, she's not white, she's black. Okay, not that black, but she's a little white. Like, kind of mixed, I guess. Her name is Amina, and everyone hates her, right? Okay, so I did not even know this. Me and her was like friends. I didn't know what, and she was Amina in grade 3. I didn't even know anything. I was just her friend. And then I just hate people be saying, "Oh, mean, so mean." Oh, I was like, "Why don't say that about me?" And then the grade 2 was telling me, "Oh, she's so mean." So I like gone to my friend in grade 2. He say, I mean, it's me. I ask everyone in grade 2, they say yeah. So like, I just thought not to be a friend of my time. Be a friend of mine. They say that's fine. Like, then when she says that's fine, I thought like there's lions, but this mix up. Okay, so no, I made bad. I had to say that. Okay, like I'm not gonna lie, but she is tattletale for nothing. What? Okay, so like I don't know if y'all understand this, but grade 3 and grade 3. I mean, okay, this my class and this grade 2. Okay, grade 2 came in our class, so me grade 3 and grade 2 is in the same class. So grade 3 is in grade 3. Grade 2 is in the same class as us. That's when it started. She started tattletailing on everything. Okay? Tattletale on everything. But wait for part 2.